Hello everyone, this is Bhupendra Chauhan, and today I am presenting you how you can get Faucet, okay, how you can build a quick exchange web using this Andromeda AOS, okay. And one thing that I would like to mention that right now Andromeda Testnet and Mainnet both are under development phase, okay. There are some bugs they have got. So what we need to do, we need to switch from Andromeda Testnet to Archway Testnet. So it's as simple as that. Just switch, select the Archway, and boom, you are now switched to Archway Testnet. Okay. If you open your Kepler wallet, and inside, if you search Archway, so you will gonna get a suggestion, okay, related to Archway testnet, and you can simply click the enable button, and yeah, you can add Archway network in this Kepler wallet as well. Okay, so other thing, how can you add Archway testnet? See, just search Archway like this and select Archway and Archway testnet. As simple as that. Okay, it's very simple step. After you successfully add the Archway testnet, okay, so you will gonna see this particular native token, okay. So const is the native token to Archway testnet, and right now you can see I got around 3.5 test token, okay, for basically testing and building my dApp. Now, how you can get this test token? So you simply need to come to a new tab and search for Archway testnet faucet, okay. Once you search it, visit this stakely.io link. Okay, I will be dropping this faucet link in the group as well, so make sure to check it out. Once you visit this particular link, you will be landing on this page. Okay, see, you can get up to 5 tokens. Okay, in your account, and here you can see last activity 4 hours ago. So 4 hours ago, I requested for 5 tokens. Okay, and I need to be waiting for one day in order to get 5 more tokens. Now, see, here are some simple steps that you need to follow in order to get token. First, you need to add your Archway account address or wallet address right here. How you can get that? Visit the Kepler wallet and search for Archway. Okay. Now, hover over this double square icon, click it and see Archway wallet address is now being copied. I can simply Control V and paste it like this. You can go to the next step and it will verify the captcha. In the next step, it will ask you to make a Twitter post. Okay. So this is an important one, guys. You need to be making sure that you have logged in your Twitter account in whichever browser you are using. Okay. So just click, tweet, and a pop-up will gonna happen. Okay. And see, it will ask you to log in if you haven't logged in. And let's say if I try to log in, okay, try to log in. Yeah, it will take my account here. Okay, so you can simply log in using your Google account or something else. Then it will ask you to tweet, post that tweet, and then you see the link of that tweet. And in the next step, probably in the step number fifth or sixth, it will ask you to paste the link. Okay, see, here in the fourth step, it will ask you to paste the Twitter post link, and yeah, you can verify, and that's how you can get your 5 bonds token, and you will be ready to actually build your dApp. Okay, and building the dApp is very similar. Uh, okay, just like we did for the Andromeda network, same thing we'll be doing for the Archway. So let me quickly build the Exchange dApp. So let's start with the empty project. Let me give it a name of TTT token exchange. Okay, it's a random name. And let's add CW20 component. Let's add CW20 exchange component now. This one. And let me rename this component. So a token apply. Okay, now name of the token. Symbol would be TTT. Okay, decimal, let's give it 6. Let's give it marketing 1. For the owner or the mentor, I will be using my account only. So I pasted my wallet address. And right now, none. Let's connect these 2 components to TTT token, and you can see they are now connected. And you can simply publish it on the Archway testnet. Let's approve the transaction. And yeah, so it's done. You can see if you visit the asset tab, you will now see asset. Okay. So let me refresh it. Well, see, TTD token exchange. So this is the asset that we just created. Now it's time to mint this token. Okay, it's a pretty simple step. Just select the mint option, uh, enter the amount. So let's say I am going for 1 million. Okay, and since we added the number 6 in the number of decimal, so let me add 6 0 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the recipient, I will be using this account only, okay, to receive this minted token. Yeah. Let's estimate. Yeah, it's approved. And sooner or later, the token will get. See, if you visit the asset tab again, and let's say if you try to or want to import this token in your Kepler wallet, just like we did for the uh, Andromeda network, okay, in our last session. So the same step will gonna be done for Archway as well. Simply copy, okay, and visit the Kepler wallet, okay, and manage asset list. Here you need to be clicking this add plus icon. Here search for Archway, okay, and here you will be getting the option for Archway testnet. Select it, paste the link here, okay. This is the CW20 token contract address. Okay, I pasted it here. It pastes this information automatically. Let's confirm this. And now search for TTT tokens. Okay, you will gonna see this. See, I just minted about 1 million TTT token, which is a custom token I just created. Okay, on Archway testnet. Now let's send some TTT token to this exchange contract. So I first need to copy the contract address, the exchange contract. Then I will be sending some tokens to this contract address. Okay. Now let's set the amount. So let's say I want to send around 40,000, okay, TTT tokens or sell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20 exchange. Let's with the latest version. We are starting with here. So I will set the start sale. The start time, let's start details 1 minute from now. Okay, and let's send it. Okay. And the asset, let's say we want user to buy the TTT token using the uh, unit token for the const. Okay, so const is the native token, just like an ANDR to Andromed. Const is to Archway network. Okay, and if you remember in the Andromeda, we use the native token ANDR, but in case of using const, we need to be entering C A const. Okay, A const. So it looks something like this. Okay, remember it's not U const, it's A const. Okay, this is the important one. It's A const. Now exchange rate. So that okay, so I want to buy one TTT token for two Acons token. I enter two right here. Let's publish this as well. Well, now we broadcasting the transaction, and yep, so it's done. Now, now it's time to create an embeddable or the UI. Okay, so I'll be starting with a new embeddable, which is an empty one. Let's see, it's loading. See. So here for the coin denomination, I will be using a const. Okay. Now I need to enter the app name. So in my case, it was TTT token exchange. Okay. And let me copy this because I will be writing it again. Now let's select the exchange variable and let's put this information. So exchange address. So I need to visit the asset tab again, and from here I can get the exchange contract address like this. Okay. So let me paste it right here. Now it's time to get the CW20 address. So I can copy it and paste it right here. And in the exchange name, let's say I copy and paste it this because I want user to see this name, okay, in the front end. Now let's publish this again and let me give it a name. So it is our TTT token exchange tab, right? So I give it a name. Let's publish this. Estimate broadcast. Mhm. And yeah, boom. So it's done. If I visit the embeddable again and if I refresh, see, I now got a new section right here, which is TT token exchange. I can view it like this. I can visit via the embeddable link. Okay, so this is the embeddable or deployed link. And here you can see this is how it looks like. Okay, I can buy TTT tokens using Aconst and see I have connected to our network. Let's try to test this application out. Okay, I click the buy now button and yeah, so this is the amount of balance I got, or you can say Aconst token I got in my wallet. And you can check the number, okay? If you visit the Kepler wallet, where you can see cons, if I search cons, see I got like 3.039, okay, cons token, and this is the amount of a cons token, okay? So you know the max behind this, right? I explained this in the workshop how this works. Now let's buy one TTT token for two a cons, okay? So I pay just go to two, and I can see one right here. Let's buy one TTT token, okay? So focus on this asset balance, okay? It will soon gonna get incremented. See, we have successfully done the transaction. And right now, see, this is the old asset balance of TTT tokens in my account. If I refresh this page, you can clearly see that there is an increment of 1 TTT token right here, which I just bought, okay, using the Acorns. So this is how you can build your application on Archway testnet, and you can get some Faucet token, okay, some Faucet tokens native to the Archway testnet. And yeah, the next step will be to edit the template, okay, to download the configuration. Okay, so how you can download the configuration? You can click this edit, okay, and after clicking the edit, simply click publish button, and here you got a download button, download, and it will gonna download the configuration for you guys. Okay, so that's how you can download configuration and edit the template and submit your project for the Andromeda workshop. So thank you for listening and viewing this video. All the best.